Today we are going to discuss a new feature in Odoo, which is for security deposits developed by Apache. This feature is specifically for construction companies or project-based companies where bank guarantees or security deposits are required as a guarantee before project is executed. You can go to the security deposits menu, which is under bank and cash. You can click on create to create the deposit. We have two types of deposits. One is bank guarantee, one is fixed deposit. For every bank guarantee, you can specify the project if it is applicable. If not, you can leave as it is. Sometimes bank guarantees are specific to multiple projects. In that case, you can select a particular customer. You can specify the purpose. You can choose beneficiary name. Choose the bank account from which it has been executed. Specify the processing fees. Date of issue. Specify the expiry date. The date on which it can be claimed. Then you can enter the other charges that has been applicable. You can attach some documents here. There are different kinds of document types which you can create further. Once you do that, you can click on save and the record gets saved. As a security reasons, there is one level approval here. So the executive can submit this to the manager who can do the approval to confirm that this deposit needs to be executed. And finally, once it is approved, this is recorded in the system. It is also possible to manually or automatically create journal entries associated with this, for which we have created a feature. Let's look at the other feature, which is for fixed deposits. If you look at fixed deposits, there are certain differences. We are going to specify the same accounts. We are going to define our issue date and expiry date. And here we are going to define the different types of deposits, the liquidation date, you can define different other charges if applicable. We are not choosing anything. We are going to attach a particular document. And submit. After approval, this account goes in detail. Please note that it is possible to renew a particular fixed deposit. If it happens, you can actually renew the same FD and all these details will start appearing here. That's all for this module. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.